In the heart of the tropical rainforest, colors burst like the dawn of 1,000 suns. These vibrant feathers are not mere decoration, but survival's bold proclamation. Colors signal danger, attract mates, or camouflage amidst the dense green wilderness. Evolution paints these birds with nature's palette, each shade a tale of life. Every feather holds the drama of endless battles for attention, for existence itself. In this world of color, tropical birds are living masterpieces, fiercely beautiful and fiercely alive.